Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's pattern is very easy pattern. This is only 4 rows repeat pattern. You can use this pattern in your gents sweater and ladies sweater. You can knit in your both ladies and gents sweater. This is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast 10 multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch. This pattern starts from the wrong side, so I'm going to start from my wrong side. So let's begin. For the demonstration, I have 17, 18, 19 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6, 3 times 6, 18 plus 1 extra stitch, 19. So row 1 wrong side, the pattern starts from the wrong side. So row 1 wrong side, your edge stitch purl on the wrong side, your edge stitch purl on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, and then knit 1, purl 1, and yarn over 3 times. Here we have done knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 1, and then yarn over 3 times. Yarn in back first, yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3, or wrap the yarn around 3 times, right? You can call it yarn over 3 times or wrap the yarn around 3 times. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 1, and yarn over 3 times. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 1, and yarn in back, yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, and 3 times. One more repeat. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, and knit 1 and purl 1. For the last repeat, you will do only knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 1. You are not going to do yarn over here, right? Yarn over 3 times here, right? Because this is the last stitch. So purl, knit 1, purl 1. We have done row 1 here. Now row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip knitwise on the this is the right side. Row 2 right side, your edge stitch slip knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 1, and unwrap this, leave this, slip this yarn overs like so, and then slip 1, slip this next stitch like so, right? That's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, and slip 1, right? Unwrap the yarn overs and then slip 1 again. This yarn in back first and then slip 1. Repeat that again. Purl 1, yarn in front, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 1, yarn in back first, right? Yarn in back, and then unwrap this loop and then slip 1, slip 1. Last repeat. For last 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, last 6 stitch, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, last stitch, knit 1. Row 4 wrong side, row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Knit 1, purl 3, this is the row 3, knit 1, purl 3, and then knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1, slip this stitch. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1 and slip 1. Again knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 3, sorry, slip 1. Last 2 4 6 stitch, knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, edge stitch, knit 1, and knit 1, knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1 and edge stitch, last stitch, purl 1. And now row 4 right side, last row, row 4 right side, here edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 1, yarn in back, slip 1. That's the repeat, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, yarn in back and slip 1. Again purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 1, yarn in back and slip 1. Last 2 4 6 stitch, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, and then purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. So that's the repeat. We have done 4 rows here. Now repeat these 4 rows over and over again until you reach your desired length. I'm going to repeat one more time. I'm going to knit the first row one more time, right? You'll repeat these 4 rows over and over again. So row 1 wrong side, this is the second repeat, and row 1 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 1, purl 1, see, purl this loop, purl 1, and then yarn over 3 times, yarn in back, yarn over 3 times, 1 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 1 and yarn over 3 times. Again knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 1 and yarn over 3 times, yarn in back, yarn over 3 times, 1 2 and 3. Last 2 4 6 stitch, knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1. We have done row 1 here. Row 2 right side, row 2 right side, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 1, yarn in back first, and then unwrap this loop and then slip 1, right? See, that's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 3, purl 1 and slip 1. Again purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 1, yarn in back and slip 1. Last 6 stitch, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 1 and knit 1. And now knit your row 3 and 4 and continue knitting like this, right? Repeat row 1 to row 4 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.